Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Alright guys, well. So guys, you know, today I'm going to get some KFC for the Cranberry family. You know, that's what we're going to get today. It's all courtesy of Sophia and Courtney, you know, from the USA, you know, blessing the family and also giving a donation to help out the dad, you know, with his situation, you know. So I want to thank Courtney and Sophia, you know, thank you so much for being here in Kingston, but we get the KFC for the kids there, you know, so they are Pastor Jackson, Boom, and also 30 grand, you know, so Esther is not feeling so well today, you know, so she's kind of relaxing a bit, you know, so I'm going to go over there other, so we're here with 30 grand himself.
One dream team, man, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, one Godfather.
Oh, there, the Rasta Jackson.
Yeah, every time.
Yeah.
Students to clean alive, Jackson. Yeah, more respect and more love. Rastafari, yeah.
Out there with Boom himself.
Yeah, man, one boom. Blessed and one love.
You might drink a 7 boom.
Yeah. Energy drink.
Energy drink. Alright guys, so let's go in. Out of the KFC and then Mucha. Well, it seems like the people them eat a lot of KFC already, so I don't think it will be that rank packer. Yeah. Because the people them eat a see them? Line less.
You could be better than yesterday.
Yeah. See, not the line is less. So everybody eat a lot of KFC already, so now we have too many people at KFC anywhere, you know. Everybody eat a lot of KFC already, so alright, best of luck guys. So literally just bought the KFC. You know, I'm still to give thanks to Sophia and Courtney. You know, thank you so much, you know, for the KFC for the kids them. You know, it goes always nothing but our blessings and we give thanks, you know, because trust me, kids love KFC. So with them getting this KFC, you know, as a surprise, not knowing say, yo, what? Finger licking good is coming their way, you know. Finger licking good.
Cranberry, Jesus.
Finger licking good is coming their way.
Fly right, you know.
Man, I'm not like one thing with KFC, it smells so good.
Yes.
You know?
Man, that's
the people.
Tear of Rasta Jackson knows right. Yeah, but not like that.
Imagine me with the bag then. Everything I come up in my face.
I say, yo, amen. I'm running like him, I say, yo, Jaja star. Ja!
Yes, I.
What end up the Rastafari?
So that time we say go over man, we just say beer wing him on.
Beer wing.
No wing. The man take ribs. Lapper buy for me and I'm look at wing, me see a lapper cheap box. You see,
yes, guys, so we'll give thanks. We're going to take
wings
on the
better
journey
boom than the
now.
whole
So
meat.
there's the journey, traffic on the journey as well. So the way it goes, we're going to get there safe and so we give thanks to the Almighty.
Yeah, man.
You know, for God and protect us on the road. So we are out. So catch you when we reach Marlborough for guys. Yeah, that's on.
Well, I thought you can do the tear out and sell it to you.
Chicken a tear off your head, you don't eat chicken.
I'm telling you, so go on a front. Lead the way, man, come lead the tear off the whole. You tell us that tear the whole I back roll, so in case you go on a front, go on and lead.
Yeah. Can't make the smell of tear off the man them know saying and chunks.
Go on a front, go on and lead.
Just arrive here, you know. So we give thanks as usual. You know, on the safe journey here and the safe journey back home. You know, so it is what it is, guys. So we're here now. Yeah.
Do a beat and do your job. Third is the name. Been born to this country plain Jane.
The court has essentially to the siblings of bail of 15 million cases needed for nearly 842,000 US dollars. The extradition was receiving no private
Charge, where I go?
I look up inside the key now. Yeah, man, so this is it now, man, you know. Give the kids them a surprise now, man, because they never did expect this, you know. You see me as a dream team family. Yeah, so you don't know, man. Yeah, man.
Charge, where I wanna go? Catch you the right time. Catch you the right time. You can't run yet. Yeah, well, I donation for you, so right, I'm come catch you before you escape.
Yeah, because I say they're up on the road, you know, and some of them are waiting there for before, man.
Them reach back?
Yeah, man, them up there, man. Because I'm running out go garden from the beach sitting there.
Oh. You go out on the road itself?
Yeah.
Or in the area?
No, road me I go.
Oh.
Cranberry. Alright, friend, Cranberry.
A good thing we catch the dad before him leave. Right in time. You know, the man fit and up and running and ready for the road. You know, so you have to say, no, not yet. Not yet. So we catch him right in time. Just that small amount. You know? Just that small amount. Woo-hoo.
Hey, Tara, hey, girl. So keep going on.
Alright. Yes, guys, good to be back.
Evening, Daddy.
Evening. Wait. The journey. Boy porridge? You boy porridge, Cranberry?
Porridge. A school porridge, I'm there. See
Oh.
there? The something there, the pop something
You
there.
see? Oh, the pack one?
Yeah, that's how them look, so. How them just start.
It's coming everything but they in there.
I swear, you don't have to use no sugar and
You see your eye now? Eye gone down?
yeah.
Come like a bite, something you bite, something bite time.
So close. Come and see. Good. Wait, the ripe as well too, so they come like say, I could have one small boil she get. I even think I want a small boil. Come and say, yeah. Come and say it's not gonna bite her exactly like this and then it swell and then it swell up as well too, you know? Yeah, wouldn't. Talk a bigger son now. Bring come now. So thank you. So talk you cry when you hear a
No, she not ball today. And of course, you see,
No, when we go for the she's not crying.
how you look now when she comes, she will start crying.
see it here.
My ear tight.
Oh, Tara do not want to fear one.
Eh? Tara never do fair one.
Tara one ball, everyone should cry. Show me now go.
The girl whether we eat, she have pressure, so she couldn't make it nice. But how can they better cry that you pal?
Okay.
I
I'm surprised.
the phone.
But wait, but talk your long man is stretch.
And tall.
Yeah.
Everybody say my one look a bit short.
Yeah. We sit up on your own. We see. She have a little length too. But talk one like the tallest. Yeah.
I should be that here.
Yeah, the tallest here.
I'm short. I'm put some in there.
Alright guys, look. Cranberry she boil fake porridge, not the real porridge. You think of the real thing she boil. I go like she a big chef. Imagine she's
A big chef.
not a big chef and a real porridge at a boil.
What?
That's not guys.
That porridge is nice.
That's a fake
Yeah,
one
but
though.
hot water.
And warm it, right? Exactly. So wait there, so like when you're drinking porridge and you can literally bring back the KFC?
No. No, I'm KFC.
No, but your belly full, right
I'm
now?
belly full.
No?
I just how kudos come.
So wait guys, so tell me what you think please. Should I bring back this KFC here or should I give it to the dogs?
No.
Because brownie and white nose want food, you know.
Them gonna food.
Right? Listen, Nana. Give them your piece and fair piece. Tara can get fair because this is Tara. And Toko now any
See, are you
KFC.
there?
You remember Harry?
Harry is here?
Yeah.
Look up here.
Because Harry come from Common, you know. Come on! And charge you there, you don't want to run on the road now, so.
Yeah, I love you.
In a rush then?
No, man.
Okay, in a rush. Alright then. I'll why knows, alright, calm down. We don't not smell like KFC. Nobody does it better, eh?
No, let me see here. It looks like it cane now too.
So it don't look like it's cane road already.
I mean, your hairstyle. Me have a hairstyle.
You know have my
Everybody
hairstyle. Everybody say what?
I think that me a big girl.
But everyone said.
I have the same hairstyle. Can't cheat me.
But everyone said.
Yeah, you.
Me and what?
That's how me compare them. Oh, you never done with my daughter. You gone on the road.
She go do your ear.
Hey, man, also them see one of your subscribers this morning. She and her husband came to river. So she's been watching, but she never knows one river they run here, so she ended up coming on. I said, "Aye."
Okay. Now that's when time we not leave out this morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now for much, you know.
Yeah. So literally. I bring some KFC food, no? I also have some donation as well too. So with the Toko, yes, I have 1,000 food each as well. Wipe off your mouth corner, porridge round there. Porridge is still there. Porridge is still there. Let me touch you. So, come Toko.
When I wake up for Kino, come on, know that mean everything. We have more.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Yeah.
Have mango for me now?
Yeah.
Black
mango? Yeah. Oh, you know.
It's not black tea, I like black tea. Well, you know, Eastern is my type of mango, you know, but I work with black tea.
I'm going to pick some too, my mother pick some too.
Yeah. Toko, come here, Toko. Let me see your hairstyle. Come here.
Sure enough.
Stop sure.
Yeah, one of them big.
Listen now. Yeah, I'm not doing right. I Toko this. One Toko, guys.
Watch out, I put on her porridge, Daddy. Daddy, I put on her porridge by the ground.
Toko, you look very smart. High five. Neat. And I guess by tomorrow them going back in the river. Guys, you know that's the problem why most times you see.
Come like it flat from last week. Yeah. Water, once and I go in the water,
because most times you guys say, oh, the kids them here out. Eventually, see every day these kids in the water, like literally. So like them here just because in the evening, you know. So you know by tomorrow they're gonna be in the water. No?
So I said they have bag.
You don't have in the bag? Yes, guys. Every day them in the water. So imagine when you do the kids them here and them literally gone in the water straight away. You know, because when I go swim again today.
My mother said I can't with mine.
See? So see?
No, true.
She went up fair here when she come then go.
Fair here not clear me no my ear easy to pull out. So my mother clean that ear to pull out.
Yeah.
That's why the woman said she can't stretch it up or plait it bigger or something.
Okay. So that's why I see most time them ear always out. So if you comb it today, later on them in the water. Tomorrow them in the water. The day after, every single day they're literally in the water. So and you cannot stop them from going in the water because that's them joy, you know? That's them fun. You know, that's what them literally every day, that's them lifestyle, you know, swimming, as you can see. You know, more time you come catch them and swim, but you can catch them when them wet, you see them skin well dry and white, that means them just literally get out the water. So that's one thing we have to always understand. So these kids are always in the water. You know, I'm not picking up for anything, but I'm just telling you from my understanding, you know, whenever they're here, they literally never leave the water alone. Every day they swim, right? Exactly. Every day they swim. As them come from school, they swim. As them wake, them swim. As them bored, them swim. As them eat, them swim. You know, as them sneeze, them swim. Everything them do, them swim. No joke, you know, so it's them joy. We cannot take it from them. So look neat now. Look, area just do, and I should reach you what you do. Swim. And like how them eat and belly full now, them swim. Hey, that. Turn the TV for me, please. Little bit. The TV. Turn it down for me. Little bit. Turn it down for me. Alright, turn it down. So, No, it's not feel so good.
Esther.
Passion in there?
Yeah.
Alright,
And Erie.
thank you so much. Okay. Wait a sec. Man, Black, well, like Easton and I'm a number one, you know. Blackie will come after, you know.
Yeah, number.
That's a fun. But Easton and a number one. Blackie, you know, can work with.
Blackie and number on the other side.
Or Ronnie said most. Erie worse. Erie worse. It's up in that teeth. Alright, kids. I know we're going to handle the KFC before we end up taking it away because I realize this turtle got him all on it so long. I want to give you. You see me? So, here is the KFC. Jeez, I'm sure I give it to them. Cheers. Say something, I don't get nothing.
Yeah, just say something.
Make she say something and she don't get nothing. Say something, no? Oh, if she say anything, she don't get nothing, you know? Right, Nana? Alright then, so guys, so you have a KFC here from Sophia and Courtney, you know, from the USA. You know, so I'm going to get the kids them KFC.
Sophia and Courtney, thank you
So much I make here. The best you make
your food basket
never dry.
Yeah. But I guess the KFC is not for for the dogs. Then, Alright, here, take it. Nobody want to get a KFC, you know. Tara, come Tara. Tara, she lick me. You know. Yeah, she lick me. She lick my Tara. Tara, come and come, Tara. Come stand up, Tara. Come, Tara. Stand up, go. Alright, Tara, ease her up now, Tara. Leave her up, leave her up. Come for this, Tara, come.
I don't want no KFC.
Tara, this is for you, okay? Oh. You want it good? Alright.
Why make you drop the KFC?
Yeah, want it good? Nah, drop it. Say thank you, Sophia.
Thank you, Sophia.
And Courtney.
And Courtney.
Okay, that is for you. Can you manage, Tara? Let me see. Hold on. Lift it, Tara. Lift it more. Lift it more, Tara. Lift it more. See? So, Tara, you're not going to put it down. You put it down?
Come put it in for you.
The bag's bigger than you. See? Tell you already now. Tell you I'm going to set Tara on you, yeah?
I can do it. I'm beat tired. Like you said to them, I bring up tired. I said, I got for me hand.
Alright
then.
So guys, alright then. So also Sophia and Courtney sent a donation for the dad as well to, you know, to help out with his situation, you know, get help his stuff to help himself, you know, what he's doing, you know. So charge it. So we have charge it there.
If I mean get that, take that and go to school.
So we have to charge, we have 35,000 here for you from Sophia and Courtney from the USA, you know, and them say boy, they wish you all the best, you know, and speed recovery and everything. You know.
Sophia and Courtney from the USA.
Yeah.
Only for thanks and only for love, man. Only for respect.
Alright, so counted says 35,000.
Sophia and Courtney, thank you so much. I never make a food basket run empty.
Yeah, so we give thanks to Sophia and Courtney. Right? And another thing I want to clarify, guys, you know, so I'm gonna say Cranberry, you know, she brought a lot of blessings same way to this family, you know, and whenever we come and we give the donation and we say Cranberry, it's not necessarily it's for Cranberry, it's for go towards material and help to sort out the place, you know, but you know, Cranberries everyone talk about, you know, so we say we're sending something for Cranberry, you know, so let's make sure we say Cranberry name is called, right? So when it's for the kids then now we always say kids, this is for you, $1,000 for you, but whenever we send, it's just forget the materials then, you know. So it's not for Cranberry to go put in our bank account yet, you know. at the same donation what the donors them send, it will fix up the place, you know, so that everybody can have a nice living condition, you know. So you know, for the future we'll just open an account for you, whatever we send anything, it can go to that. But at this minute what they're sending now is to help out with the family, right? So we have $1,000 each for the kids them now. 1,000 for Cran, 1,000 for Nana, 1,000 for Toko, and 1,000 for my friend Tara. So anything we say, Tara, she just lit me, you know? She just lit me. She lit me. So now, Tara, she lit me again.
And I get no juice, yeah.
Now give me the juice. Here, Tara, the juice as well too for you. All the juice. Alright? Yes. Somebody defend me, yeah? So give me the talk, I see what happened. I just set Tara upon you, the tyrant. You know, so alright then, so I have $1,000 here. So 1,000 for you from Lucky Star.
From Lucky Star. Thank you so much. Make a food basket never empty.
Alright, and for you too, Nana, from Lucky Star.
Thank you, Lucky Star. I make a full basket, never run dry.
Alright, Toko, 1,000 for you as well too, from Lucky Star.
Thank you, my Lucky Star. No, make a full basket, never empty.
Okay, and we have from my big friend Tara, 1,000 for you as well, from Lucky Star.
Talk, Lord.
Lucky Star.
Empty. Okay, so
Lucky Star, thank you so much. And your food basket never empty.
alright. So what you gonna do with your $1,000, Nana? What? Daddy again? So we are doing your $1,000 Toko?
Daddy.
Daddy too? What? Tara, what you do with your $1,000? Daddy too? Wait there. Cranberry, what you do there? Mommy. So she said daddy, one said mommy. Wow, that's good. So daddy get extra today. Yeah, and daddy always put in the work as well too. You know, that's good. So we give thanks. So big up yourself, Lucky Star. We thank you so much for blessing the kids them with this $1,000 each. You know, as well too. So I'm also gonna get some grocery for you as well too. Yes. So for the grocery, for next time coming, tell me what you want me to get. What you want? Groceries. What type of food? Oh, patty. Come. What you want? You know,
Big food.
Big food. What you want? Local food. Yeah, local food is not about.
Big food or something like that. And cheese countries.
Cheesy.
Tara, what you want in the groceries? Which one?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. You know, you must buy a box of ice cream and put it in the freezer. And maybe when time when you get the new fridge. Yeah, when you get the new fridge now,
Buy ice cream.
buy a big box and put it in the fridge. It lasts longer, more cheaper. About 3,000 something for the big box. Because then no buy ice cream so much. Right? Toko, what you want for snacks?
What you want for some cream? She love macaroni and cheese. That's what you want? Want macaroni and cheese?
Oh yeah, look a small one in the jar like this, so you don't want to, yeah. But the one that was microwave one that?
The one in the jar?
Yeah, I think a microwave one that. Yeah.
I have popcorn too.
But now I get microwave as well too, but at that one time the kitchen up and running so we can get them today.
I'm not going to use the microwave.
So you're not going to use it too?
But no for use it.
No for use it?
They
Okay.
will finish.
Okay. So you know that I try to get the pepper thing for you, but the place lock up. Yeah, I know what going Ibo spice. And the powder, the nooni.
The nooni plus.
Yeah, the nooni with the thing.
With the pepper in it.
Yeah. So you started the thing already, right?
The capsule there.
Yeah.
And you know, so me have to remind him.
Yeah, man, just keep reminding him. Keep reminding him. So, how much they got on Tuesday? So, no, so Wednesday, Thursday. 12, 3 days. Yeah, so,
Come sit down with
so, boss, yeah, so, Sunday at 5.
Take about 10 or time.
Yeah. Yeah. So like Sunday now, like Monday now you just take the colon cleanse after you eat. Yeah, after you eat. You know, so
the 5 day, when the 5 day up, when you finish that,
yeah.
and then you take
Yeah, so you still gotta take it CMA, you know, but the first 5 years you just have to take that alone, but you still gotta take it CMA.
So after 5 days I'm gonna take the colon cleanser.
Still take it.
Still go and take the
Yeah. Still I go and take it CMA. So as I say, you gotta take that after the last meal, you know. So if you eat something 7 o'clock, eat a meal 7 o'clock, you know, so by 11 o'clock, 4 hours after, you just drink that, you know, tomorrow to clear out your colon, because you never do a colon cleanse yet. Never. Yeah, man. So that means you must have long time them thing, you know. It's like it's a flush.
Yeah.
It's a flush, man. You need warm out, you know. Warm out, take out everything out of here, you know. Them also have the kids one as well, because that's the adult one. You know, so these are the things we need, you know. As I say, even with the blood circulation, you start to take that as well to help everything, you see me? You'll find yourself feel like you're 16 again, man, when you're done with that one. You know? Because I tell you, yeah, products in this view. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I eat the thing, man. I know someone said when them thing are make nice, them so nice them make for the female want them to come because of mating season. You know that?
Yeah. I know some get it. Come like the man want them to make nice.
The man want them to make nice. Them said.
No man, the woman want them, the man want them to make nice, man.
Yeah.
And the woman want them to make nice, man. The man want them to make nice.
Oh, I could think which them person say is the man want to make nice for the female and the coming on for mating. Yeah.
But the man want them look more different from the woman want them. The woman want them a straight black. The man want them have a look of soldierish color.
Oh.
You can know them different.
Okay. Because the one who made the sip on the tree, that's a black one, right?
Yeah, them are the black.
Last night I see one too.
They look a soldier looking one, them they make nice.
Okay. We never know. Well, a mating season for them, that's why it's so much nicer make. You know, so them a call for them come around.
That's why them come out of there, because I'm just saying I heard them.
Yeah. Them come out. No.
Them come out.
Your hairstyle fit you, look nice. You know, that's if keep it here every time.
When you every time me, and she for touch up my ear.
But then again, always going on the water.
And she look here, that pull up.
Pull out.
Look here. Remember, say she underneath the water, my ear easy to pull up from.
The whole of them ear go pull on. Because you can see this start to get loose already. So she go in the water. So by 2 more swim,
that pull out.
That trash you. Look, see the back already start come out. Look, see that? Move your hand. See the back start pull out already. So 2 more swim and that pull out.
I never swim when I come. I just come up straight to my hand.
Can you try to save your hairstyle? And Tara, what happened to your ear now, Tara? You're not doing that here?
No, look now when me move neck in, she not want to go in near nobody. To me, she need to go for my mother this man.
So we turn her in a rasta then, you know.
My mother for plait her ear big, that no matter tell her. So plait the ear big and make it serve her.
Oh,
Tara.
Tara want to be a rasta. Look like a rasta as well when it like that, you know. Yeah.
Where you get this from?
Long time, have you? I guess you have to get on blow dryer.
And blow it out.
But I just a comb. I'm going to have a comb.
You have the flat hair, you have the something there one go so. I make a ear soft. You have TV.
You have everything.
You said last night, you know. And no, whenever me alone wake up in one of them guys sleep last night. Ask my mother and me to come to me on my bed.
Say what, yeah. I want to stay up late?
Me and my mother.
You know, say last time I end up, I tell you something, wash out the clothes them.
And then I mean, the clothes them.
Finish wash them out and go on and look for her. When I finish wash them.
My mother come back, she doesn't know clothes on my river.
Because look man them, thank God for look man and look man whenever they day.
And Prince, I beg them.
And Prince, thank you so much. That's how I love look man. That's how I love.
What them do? Them help?
Them bring up the clothes them.
Oh.
And Prince say, Cranberry, I don't want them bring up the basket for you go drop. I say, look boy, some drop here, that up. I can't come check here, lie down.
Oh, you drop?
Yeah, the two of them take me up while I'm friend them will help.
I'm say, get up, my you drop.
Down the machine.
You broke your back?
Yeah.
Your back they broke?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you set it back now. Your brothers are broke, she broke her back.
I one night me there. I watch TV.
Yeah.
Come and go sleep last night. I late. I wake up today.
So with the charge, you have the material and anything you have.
Yeah.
So like so far one way you gotta put on so when them come. Especially the piping and the bathroom as well, right?
Yeah, everything, the pipe and everything there, man. Even just want to couple in them.
Yesterday,
I'm going to tell you, sir, I got the cement and line up the stand down there so that me when I come, that I want to give it a strength.
Yeah.
But then, I got just one look more tile. And then I the least thing, so everything I don't tell. I just think them never start out. The main thing me don't want the sand to down and roll down there so we can't stick it.
Oh, so where the sand there?
No, I want to make a sand.
Okay. Okay, I step it.
Yeah. And I have the solid text them to help to do all this. So from me say me have to stay. This I know me just want to finish it.
Oh. Yeah, man, because
so me that pretty thing, that matters. I don't want more rough sand like this, and I don't want more other sand. Some smooth sand more.
Like granite sand?
Yeah, granite sand.
Yeah, granite sand. So the one where you want. Yeah, man, because so once the team come, you know, everybody come, so I know, gang it.
Just have a purple paint. So I have the pink paint now, so I just want more purple paint I will get. So that means when you come now, everything there.
Okay, I go and put in the work.
That's what I'm saying, I just want exactly so. Everything there.
Yeah. It's like a labor day when you know.
I have all piping already. I know somebody fit the coupling them and the bend, I don't know come like a dash now.
Fit them? You ate it in one bag?
Yeah.
Oh, them probably not.
Chicken a smell.
What do with the bag? Don't see none of 4-inch coupling them or nothing.
Them good at dash it on notice. And sweep it up.
4-inch coupling them. I have the wastewater, I have everything, I have the coupling them, everything for the wastewater pipe.
Yeah, man, because as I said, no, you have the tile after you finish off, you know, so already.
I broke them tile there. So just cut and finish it. I just cut them, just cut and finish it.
But if you leave it yourself, that's a because I'm going to jump up on them.
I lean up, you know.
And them drop.
They lean up and then they drop down.
That's what the finishing a bit for?
Yeah, for cut and finish this.
Okay.
But on the comment, I reach our line up.
Talk you want chicken. I see the face.
Yes, I don't know. So anything just use the granite.
Yeah.
The whole no combo. I do me some more. So the wall is set there, so you saw me left it as a little flower spot, and so I go put this there, you know.
Oh, KFC, you know to fold it.
Look man, you forget me, I go call you, remember? Look man, miss.
Yeah, I forget, look man, I only in this I could have, I can have a little table.
Yeah, man, I put a table in there, man. And that's why I say I wait till you come, everything, I move back the door. Put it on the side there.
On the side there?
Yeah.
So you take a walk my way? Still inside?
So, yeah, inside the walk.
Okay, so you put the table?
I put the table on the side there.
That's so?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see.
Put it so now the door I go let me go make it like an L shape.
Like an L shape though.
Yeah.
I could have like build a counter then.
Yeah, that I want a counter.
You have a build go around. Yeah.
L-shape.
Be like an L shape counter there so. So you have at least you have.
I go board back here so I go build a counter in here so I go board back here so I put a sink in here so I go board back this and I put it back the wastewater pipe.
Okay, I board back.
You can board inside, you run this side, inside you can board to break up. But I'm going to wash plate to that.
So a different pipe you have to go run again for that.
I see him, man. I see him pipe they never use, man. I see him. And it's same way sort of pipe never use, you know.
So which part that I run from? From
I run it back on the house car and I run it back same place so I put it back down there.
Okay, a giant with that one there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, them say me nah put them waste out the pipe and I go in a pit, you know.
Yeah.
And the water, free bathrooms and I go in a pit.
Okay.
Like back on the go down there for me a plan.
Yeah.
You only see the water, me nah put them water in a pit.
Okay.
The kitchen water and the water out of the bath now go in a pit.
Oh, so you just make it run down from the plan?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the bathroom and the pipe water.
Yeah.
So if you have something strain in the sink, so no rice going or anything, you know, go down in there too. Reach far so far, you know? Reach far. Start is up ground food then?
Yeah, man, we are so.
KFC. You see the. So we're not gonna have a table one time and not there on the bed.
Yeah, take my money and let me go.
Well, them chicken look good and nice, man. Take the cat off of the bed. Take the cat off the bed. Get the cat off the bed. I'm telling you to stop hold up the cat like that.
You know, say, him a jump on, you know.
Eh?
And in listen.
You see, anytime they have food, you see him jump up. Him come from far.
Them get too friendly. Cause them cat them a flee and them little thing there, you know.
Yeah, cat there, so when cat blow upon you,
Catch from them. I try and prevent. Because them say cat not for blow upon you. And plus, if them cat and a beard after them have to flee them.
Yeah, because that cat will lie down for the dog and you play with the dog then.
So that make it worse. Good job.
I better feel. I walk over my pipe. I tell him to take it up in now. Yeah, can you
Please stop. Okay.
So want to buy my chicken?
So you now get chicken always. Make the box.
I don't make box.
Follow the puzzle. Bend it. Yeah, follow the puzzle.
Him not come down.
The 30 gonna fall down.
Him say him not like it.
Eh? You mash up your phone?
Yeah.
The crack? Yeah. Yeah, easy. I step over the pipe.
No. Step on it up.
Oh, I'm step on pipe.
Yeah, I never see that. This is the key, no?
See me, bring it inside.
No, this is broken off.
Yeah. No, this on the outside.
How many ever know for the them, yeah?
Easy for you.
Look, man, never know. When you come and get feed chicken, you come and happy.
I don't know school and father. So the results supposed to come on.
Oh, the kids them?
To them, I say, look, man.
Oh, look, man, look,
But to them, I say, look, man, to ask me to back him. I say, you could go this and laugh at him.
So they're supposed to get the result.
Yeah, the result come up.
Yeah, so hopefully them pass or something good, you know. So look at me, so you know, they're waiting on them results, you know, so yeah. Depends on which school them choose to.
I'm still gonna get a big piece.
By the KFC.
Give me a dog, and look, man, I want a big piece. They say step on there. The cat must have said, you know what I'm more. I say, you know what I'm doing, you know? Eat rat, you know?
And that's why they must stop all them up.
That's why I thought them to stop all the cat. I don't hold the cat, I just running from near me and feeding. I love me not even night the cat up on the bed it way.
Take him off.
I kick it, I say last night the cat give me a cry. Watch out, you know.
And cry with us one.
Him near box someone while I'm feeding. So me tell the cat to come down.
No South Africa, once I'm a play the dog, then I go.
Yeah. Are we going to jump up again?
Hey, move.
Take him back. See him get too friendly. Look, take him back down. Him going back. Yes, yeah.
What did you do?
A chicken is cat, man.
My future baby.
It's me. Oh, sir. So you rush on the road now? You still up on the road now?
Yeah.
Pine, I get every on one side. Yeah. It I get heavy, it I lean one side now. To want some rain. Come rain, fall, rain, fall. Fall, rain, fall. After them one done?
Nah.
Oh.
She said we call her and she know how we eat it all.
Alright, we'll call them.
But look here now. We don't want a night come down. See him brother here too? The prince there. Where the brother? Yeah, yeah. My Indian prince, you know.
Oh, Indian Prince.
Yeah.
Oh, see the little man. He might live long. Where your sister there? Come for KFC.
Come there, glass. I'm telling him drop it and you say him drop.
I film glass at? Give me.
See them number. Come for KFC.
Because you know him vex. Time phone mash up.
Oh, him phone mash up for you?
Yeah, 30 grand.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Him phone mash up.
Oh, phone. Him phone him just you me?
Where your sister there?
Where's it at? Go call her.
I run go call her and come back.
Start up to come for KFC.
Let's run go call her and come back.
Run go call her now. Him say my full in water. I'm mad I beat him.
Boy, the chicken hurt my nose.
Who go see get big piece of me again? Yeah, can't see that. You know why I'm going to choose.
Are you choose that?
No, my mother.
Maybe that's the biggest one, that's why.
No, because I never did want this. Me want two of them. Bumble, put a big piece again, yeah.
But it don't have enough meat on it. A pure bone then.
I be a bone chicken, I check in.
That a pure meat you have more meat than hers.
I mean, forget. No. Where's your one? No?
I'm going to say Toko get what? The thigh. Toko get thigh. So you get the one with the most meat, Cranberry. That is the breast. So you get the thigh and Nana get the ribs. Oh, white nose? I saw him still? Yeah.
Come here. Run go and call her. Mommy, I tell you come and go call her. I don't know from where you're staying.
I will get the wing.
Oh, God, that's not you. What you know? I better have one big piece again.
White nose, they must smell up your nose.
Boy, you're not getting none.
White
Yo,
nose.
you left piece of some bone for the cat. Yeah, I'm not care about white nose. White nose them for boy. Yeah, eat something. Is that clear? Some cat is a clear with cat? Yeah, that's right.
See you nasty yourself, Yoko.
It looks like blood, you know.
Yeah, catch up.
Okay. I say all of that way, yeah. You see how that is, sir? That's all. It's a cut. That's why it be a bit bigger.
Inside that to a cut.
I said, my say she want one powder for you.
Right, guys, so thank you Sophie and Courtney, you know, for the KFC. Trust me. The way them enjoying it.
I will be one KFC, guys.
Trust me, to rub off my nose. You know?
So you don't want none?
I know, I don't want to eat chicken.
You don't eat chicken for real?
No.
So what you going to eat when you go home?
And trust me, to rub off my nose. So that's what I say. When you're pescatarian, you have to be so honest to yourself.
That man come back to your yard.
Somebody come back to your yard. Nah, come back to my yard. I never come to my yard. I don't have trench down. And I'm yard. To come what? To wreck the place.
No? So we can come see if you're holiday, bring you back.
Bring back where? Holiday, which holiday?
When holiday come back?
No, some can't do Cranberry right now. Cranberry have too much handful.
So every day you wake up, clean up, food.
Maybe when my mother come to Jamaica, I bring her look for my mother. Yeah? You don't know my mother. You don't know my mother.
Your mother must have said, you know, you can't go if I pick me and kill me. It pick me.
Eat my bite your tongue. Them say it's not too good to eat on talk. So if you bite your tongue.
Let me attack me ear.
Bite your tongue then, no? That for do.
Yes, my tongue have bleed right now.
Show my mother. See my mother here.
Okay. But I say my son to be charged.
I'm serious.
Your mother prefer.
I'm serious.
I for call and say.
Sorry, yeah.
What?
Husband.
Can't see.
Yeah.
Can't do all this quick.
Hold up here.
That one.
You see my mother now? See her there.
Come here, Jaisha. Bo. You pull out there again?
No, go on the chicken.
Open your yard for chicken.
Evening.
So now take enough thanks to the chicken just a pass the man so.
Yeah, them say evening.
No, me I say them tell them thanks to the chicken.
Thanks to chicken.
Wait, girl. Look how me I come. A chicken make them come down.
You tell me thanks for chicken.
No, I don't mean to tell you thanks.
How you tell me thanks?
You tell me thanks.
Why me to tell you thanks?
How you buy the chicken for me?
I don't buy any chicken for you.
Still thanks, darling.
You thank me for nothing.
Thank you.
I know me, you thank you not really thank cook
and
so
friend
here.
them, yeah. Then I better say them are begging to say chicken and finger. Okay, boy, boomers.
Say now get nobody now your chicken.
No? You don't care about nobody?
No.
All this.
See my mommy here. This is me and mommy. Yeah, this is me and mommy. So mommy shot. She named Mommy. When you say Mommy, where you say Mommy?
No, my grandma and your mommy.
Oh, she named Mommy. Think I make noise.
Them Anna and Daddy.
Them a call for them friends. When the belly supposed to full now, can I just have porridge? Wait a minute.
Daddy.
Your belly not full now?
Okay.
Wow, 100 million food.
Too much. Start your belly full now?
Okay, them buy 3 food and we are come on. You know shop it down. Don't mind
No, I sit down by the river.
Eh?
Yeah. I'm going to sit by the
I'm
river.
chicken down there, so I'm telling my master to come by. I will tell her, so you're not come to me. Bombard! I'm tired.
Run him. You got the chicken? White nose, why you do that?
Mommy!
White nose, why you do that?
Mommy!
Hey, move.
Daddy!
Move.
Call Daddy,
Move,
Nana.
man.
Do I know a job on the baby chicken?
See him like what you say as a walk off of that thing doing now. White nose, that's naughty.
Mommy get PS. Jesus Christ.
Bring back peace for her. Hey, move Browning.
Jesus Christ, man. Dog wicked. Hey, go, man. Jesus.
You bring back peace for her? See that, there's a chicken, you get back chicken.
And get up, Tyra.
Come, get up from there. Get up.
Come. Mama bring it.
Bring it for her.
I left it out and do one.
And the dart take a whole 2 pound of chicken.
I run go down like that. Bombi gang. What you know, Nine, come down and get no, not there. See you. Whenever I say Nine there. Like, come here.
As I walk off, you know, jump in her box and take out the chicken.
Go on again. Mommy! Mommy! You know PS.
Yeah.
Go on for PS.
Hey,
You
do. Jesus, I'm crying. Evening.
What me the from man?
I can't take your shot.
Yeah, we just got from it here.
Going on the river.
Never see somebody on the job.
You buy chicken, what a chicken man job?
Tara, come. I ain't getting more. And Tara, we can see you, Kina. You sit down where the dog, I go grab the chicken out here. God. Now you're going to kill your plants. Where is the Kino? Why you are just not Kino?
Poor Tara, Jaja.
Guys,
you know, as literally as we walk off, yeah, Tara sit down, as a back turn, the dog just jump in a Tara box, white nose, and take out our chicken. I couldn't believe it. Yeah, he wait till as a back turn and through Tara was sitting down. He just jump in it and take it out. And he was so quick he mash it up.
I don't know. No. I tell you nothing and say, oh, why was this I eat? And a big piece of chicken dinner. I tell me that we have in there and see get to you know.
Yes, get back and see him one.
I mean, take it off here. Nah, I will get piece of chicken. You know what like chicken we're going to eat, you know?
You can't eat off everything.
No, woman, I left some for that morning.
Sit here.
I tell you, sit down here, you know, that you're going to make dog grow again, yeah? We have the chicken. How you make 2 chicken now?
Dog, take away your chicken, Tara.
Take in a more love and care.
Imagine that.
Jesus Christ, see dog again. Jeez.
Where?
Team dog, them a come down.
Them can't come down here.
Jesus. Running. Hey, Tara's wife was a come there. Pizza can here come,
Brownie, move.
Hello, move. Nah, I talk on one chicken good.
Them not get taco chicken. That's one thing for sure.
I look at the taco chicken done fast now.
The one thing for sure, but no, they not get taco chicken.
Them still long the time to come check quick. Them must say me tired of Cranberry.
They might enjoy the river, man.
Oh, some that's one bro.
In drop.
And that's the number that walk the back.
Yeah, I come down and drop. Guys, sir. Eh? No, I can stay, man. I'm ready to go.
When you and the one up on the other, the one then I do.
Rasta Jackson.
Waiting for them, I beat him. I say, when you say yesterday, I call it, you need to look by your phone. Good.
When?
Yes. When I come, yesterday?
Yeah.
When I reach one, I ring the phone, I go buy one.
I'm going to call it back.
Off.
Yeah.
I'm going to me gone. Can you go up somewhere?
Watch white nose now. White nose eat chicken and drink water, quench him thirst.
Everybody are follow me. Watch that. Everybody want me. Hey. Okay, Christy. Damien.
Tell everybody. Well.
Hello, nobody not going on the water and now go change again. Your mommy don't tell you. I'm not going to go now.
Nah, we have no more water for the day.
So tomorrow.
Wait up your hairstyle again.
I will do mama. I walk. But now I see them about this again. I'm saying all of my side there. So keep me right on to the next one. Tell me that ear looks swell.
You look red? Swell.
Are you ready, man?
Okay, Harry eat it up already. Harry mouth. Evident. You see? You have enough chicken and now you cannot eat it up yet. You tell you enough again?
If Papa, yes, I see chicken and bring on fish tomorrow. So I'm here bring her down to mommy for him. No, I'm here just wash up more.
I will not bring her down?
What's up? I better come see you tomorrow, you know, Saka. How I bring up more mango.
Yeah.
How much is that collect for me now, you know?
Huh?
How much them collect for me?
$50.
No. Live 100, 150.
150?
For me, I lose one.
The taxi man?
Yeah. So my taxi man, them take 50. Some take 150, them wicked. Yeah, some today.
Him take 150 for you alone, the taxi man? That's a wickedness. Not supposed to.
say, different money for she. Me not for pay. Me not for pay for she for pay. Some say on wicked. $50 normally take from me. I'm mother say on wicked. I look up at this little girl of reach 11 and then she 12.
Yeah.
And say true she get big, you know, collect that. Ask my mother, you can ask my mother for real.
Yeah.
Mommy, how much the taxi man then collect for me alone? No, 150.
But they're not supposed to collect so much.
Yeah.
How much?
250.
To go away, pop in?
Yeah.
Oh, to come around?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Later. Buy your bike.
I said, normally, me walk, come on. Walk, come on. I easy.
You're not, you don't go swim.
You're not sending a kid on the ear just do.
On the ear just do.
People sit on the ear, cool. Mommy, are you just
Toko.
Tina, not at some bag.
Keep on your top, Toko.
I know, Tina, at some bag we want now.
Yeah.
To build up better.
Talk.
Come out, I'm serious now, come out.
Yeah. But Toko too. Her skin a scratch her. Toko, put on back your top. You're not gonna know water.
Where? Now look up here.
Her skin a scratch. You say them see water, them skin a scratch. Move.
Fucking down with us, scratching head, you see him down there scratching head, you see him, I was jumping. I would have phone, them must rock up. Look at them, see, stop me too. What you are when I go down, you know if you walk. Hey, you know the pipe I go drop and say, voila.
Hush, Tara, hush, Tara, hush. One Toko rough, you know.
Toko, it's not a Tara.
No, Toko. A Toko. Watch Toko. She would even stop till she go in the water. What's that?
Come here, come push you up. Yeah, better move on the ground.
What's that?
What's up, you?
Hold it?
Yeah.
What may I hold this for?
Yeah.
We gonna eat it, see me?
Yeah.
Really? A bone in there? No, leave it. What are you gonna do? Pour.
Now what's that?
No, she gonna eat it. Leave it.
Mom, take fear. I feel more to right now. I want to push up that. Why for me?
What you want to?
No, I'm jumping back in here. Buy back, you know.
Buy back what? I have everything already. Buy back nothing. Right now, it's not easy.
Look.
See a fast job. Guys, it's the same thing I'm talking about, yeah? Them just done them here, but look.
This is what I'm talking about, guys. I'm telling you, no matter how much you didn't hear. No, bye. Come, White Nose, come. Come. White Nose, come. White Nose, come. White Nose is not idiot.
White Nose is saying mother be now.
Hey. Come, White Nose, come here. Come. White Nose, White Nose. Brownie, you come. White Nose. Hey, Brownie. Hey. White Nose know where I go on.
Pass. No, I'm born.
Hold him by 2 foot then.
Okay now. White Nose good now, we know White Nose are pretty. Can do that, you know?
Yeah. Easy thing that's to do.
With Sarah. White Nose are creamy, no? White Nose are creamy.
See, man.
One to take 2,000 are creamy. One away if I feel, I know what I'm talking about. It's serious.
You want to sit down? No, don't do that. You drop that way there, you go jump that direction. Cranberry, drop that direction because the stone is right there, so. Yeah. Oh, Sunday by them. You want back your little stall, yeah, so. Like when you have the pool. Yeah. Oh.
we can't see him again.
You could have seen before.
We can't see him again for real.
I thought look, I thought I was the big swimmer.
You can walk barefoot, Kino.
Oh, Shavit,
Kino, you can walk barefoot.
if you can walk on my foot,
Yeah, like so. What I'm going to answer.
it's Cranberry as me can walk on my foot. Ah, cool,
Kino, look. I come there.
You walk on your hand.
Look again.
Up on your hand, you walk, not your foot.
Yeah,
Cranberry say you can walk on your foot. Cranberry, I do a handstand and ask, Bikini, can you walk by your foot? No. Yeah, listen, Nana, the dog want your chicken. I know what is your leave back. What is your leave back?
Chicken.
Chicken what? Bones? Yes, sir. Yeah, that's what I'm saying here. No matter how them just do them here, the water, you can't stay at the water. I'm telling you. So you're gonna see them here pull back right out again. Right out again, you know? Sarah, what I'm for you? Cool. See the money there?
$2. And if $2,
I go think the money change. Alright then. I go think the money them change and not too much paper now like plastic. So whenever the money wet, it not soak. If it has soak, I got tear already. If it was a one-time money.
If you come like in the early morning, you have to pick up every morning.
Every morning.
You can see it.
Yeah.
You have magnetic glasses today. But if you just come right, they stand up and you say,
and see them.
Every people find $20 and I want them.
But then if you move them, if you move the money, they were in at the river.
No, not $20.
And people throw them.
$20 change $100.
They must leave the kind them in there because people throw them in there, pay the river. So you can't swim for free and not pay the river. No matter what, eh?
Me I call him a fan of family to invest. Oh, when I fall into a bundle. Like one that bun, fire.
Right now, I'm phone drop. Yes, guys, everything goes already, so then they having fun. You know, so this is their joy, they have fun. Well, and then that chicken they finish long time, pure bone and leave back. Cranberry, come here. Alright guys, you know the thing goes, so I'm gonna go home now. You know, time is getting late. You know, the sun gone in now. So years left, so you know I'm gonna run now. Run and gun. So bless and love guys. Anything goes, so we'll take care of ourselves and everything. You know what I'm saying? It is that time, It's after 6. After 6. Alright then, bye bye kids, okay? Bye bye. I'm going now.
No, that's not what I'm going.
I'm going. Only eat, not gonna eat now. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Some more bag, but them bag are good.
Yeah. That's why I pull them out. I pull them out. But I get some more from I can look at last time I see 30 bucks and Jamaica
yeah.
Then normally the ice that didn't go. But we have to get some big stone and try to put it in the sandbag then.
Yeah. It's such a pity that stone at the end of the way.
But them can't back to that side, they must talk to them and they say to go when they normally back.
That have more space at the stone about there. Here I pull out. Put on your top. Put on your top. Put on your top. Yeah. Jack, sir. Jugs. Fix that up. Fix that up. Fix that up. 30 grand. See, if vex, you're gonna left all your glass. Where your glass there? Scream crack. Yo, Cranberry times I don't run on the hill.
Nah, run.
How we are do?
Because of me have on.
Run, yeah, run.
Run, yeah, run. Umpire run. I'm going
yeah, man, run on the hill. Yeah, run like the kids them. No. Yeah, try run. Jackson, you might try run it like the kids them. No, I feel them ill. No. Yo. But that's how you must walk. Walk. No. Yeah. That's how you must walk, man. Relax now.
You know, Mama, that's what you kilo. Kilo back. No, yeah, very you come now.
No, ring you.
Why? They want me ring you? Eh?
No, I block your number. I don't want you to ring my phone. Don't need to ring my phone, miss.
I'm saying you text me, I said night, daddy. I'm here, you have answer me.
No answer, I'm stop answer your call.
You can answer me? Worrying.
I set Tara up and Tara the done now, yeah?
Tara can't do nothing. And Tara dead it to me.
Tara the done.
Tell me which man got them there?
Not 11. Not sure. Not sure what mango is it.
Apple finish.
Next year again. Next year before you get more mango, you know, apples.
Mango.
They wash up too. Tara. Nana, I get better. Tara, high five. Cranberry lit me here, but don't worry. I'm going to tell you when to deal with our case.
Yeah.
Tell him bye-bye, Ari.
Bye-bye, Ari. Bye. See you guys later. It's a talk come out there.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
And I say,
Yeah.
should I hear me?
Yeah.
See you again.
Where's him? I run down the hill, Cranberry. You can't run like them kids there, no chunks.
I them and then drop them, get up back and run.
Cranberry come tell him, say, yo, move the pipe. So I try to go over the pipe as well too. He dep on camera in the chunks. Yeah. Wait, tell him, say.
Me say, see the pipe, the my yard, before you reach at the pipe, me say, somebody see pipe, the man yard, and this morning me get a job.
Where am I run down the hill? Where am I run down the hill?
I saw him walk up and then him, and jump back. And I saw him a ball and come down, but him not like me. I swear. Here, who can't hear go feel? Where? Who can't hear go feel?
The same thing goes for you too, you must listen.
Make you know.
Alright, later.
And me am born.
And July you for born.
Daddy, I put over the right here.
It's out already. Later. Alright, chunks.
Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah, chunks.
So we all come down the road. And the eyeglass drop.
Yeah, you might forget about. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.